Today's project is something I hate doing, which is downsizing. I need to organize and purge some things that are extra from the Airstream. This is the leaky water inlet that's been replaced. I'm not sure why I kept the leaky one. I just should have thrown it away. We're going to do that today. So these were a cheap and easy solution when we got the trailer. Get out the chainsaw, make yourself a shock block. But at this point, we've got a proper leveling kit here, so that we have both chalk blocks and the ability to adjust the height of the trailer. And I'm excited to be able to use these. I should be able to get rid of at least half of these, maybe more. I'll still want a couple for foot pads when I need them, but this seems to be a very good improvement and will allow us to reduce weight significantly. So my free solution here weighs about 30 pounds. Scrap wood end cuts, whatever that I had left over from things. Use those. They worked for a little while, but we're going to improve that with proper leveling blocks, and should save near 15 pounds and a lot of space for storage. Probably going to keep these two blocks for feet underneath my levelers and be happy with this instead of the whole pile. This is the water hose we've been using. It was a cheap solution at the time, but it's frustrating to use, particularly in cold weather. It's hard to put away. This is the shape it was in when we last used it in cold weather. We've got a 50-foot hose here as opposed to a 25, so we're hoping that's a significant improvement. It's a lot lighter, packs down smaller, should go in our storage bag right here. The filter and the pressure booster should fit too, and hoping that's a significant reduction in weight and space usage. This bag fits our 30 amp to house current dog bone, heavy duty 25-foot extension cord, and our 25-foot 30 amp cord easily. These two bags came from Airstream Life, but I'm sure you could get unbranded bags elsewhere if you want. Bit of a luxury item, but I think they'll really help us just make things easier for setting up and taking down camping. And as an added bonus, my 10-foot telescoping ladder fits in the back. Here's a simulated drone flyover of the totes, and you can see a lot of the contents with our tools and other supplies. Let the organizing and purging begin. While I'm working on the outside, Sean is working through the cabinets and interior storage. It's so easy for me to wind up with too many tools. I like to have the right tool for the job, and hey, if one's good, two must be better.
It's too easy for me to hang on to worn out drill bits and saw blades and things like that add up to a lot of weight really quickly. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you're interested in Airstream projects, please check out some of our other videos. This process took me quite a while, but I was able to purge about 150 pounds of excess stuff. Shauna went through every cabinet and compartment in the trailer. She boxed up memorabilia, kitchenware, a DVD player, some tent camping gear. While we're nostalgic for tent camping, we don't choose to go. Because we already RV full-time, run our own business, and have Airstream projects, it's time to let that go. It's surprising how much fabric can weigh. Our Airstream projects are hard on clothing. We removed about a trash bag full of worn out, torn, ripped, paint-covered clothing. There might be a misconception that you downsize once and it's over, but keeping things organized and not keeping extras is something that I've always struggled with, and it was necessary today to put everything out so I can see it, so I can look at it, so I can understand, do I need this, do I not, how does this work, how can I fit this, how does the puzzle fit back together. And I think it was time well spent.